What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of posting pictures on BlueSky this 2024. Whether you want to share your latest adventures, creative projects, or everyday moments, this step-by-step guide will help you showcase your creativity with ease. Locate the BlueSky Social app on your device. Now, after you locate the BlueSky app, tap on the app icon to launch it. If prompted, enter your username or email and your password. Tap on the login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the sign-up process to create one. Once you are logged in, look for the Create Post button, usually represented by a plus sign or a pencil icon, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on this button to open the posting interface. In the posting interface, look for an option to add media or photos. This is typically represented by a camera or image icon. Tap on this icon to open your device's photo library. Browse through your photo library and select the picture you want to post. Tap on the chosen photo to select it. Now tap Add on the upper right of the screen. You may have the option to edit or crop your photo before posting. Once satisfied, tap the Post button to share your picture with your followers. And there, you successfully learned how to post pictures on BlueSky Social. Remember to engage with your followers by responding to comments and sharing more of your creative work. As you explore the platform, consider experimenting with different types of content, like videos or polls, to keep your profile dynamic and interesting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.